No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
So I can't believe I'm here again, but it's happened again. For the second time in 4 days, a cargo container has struck an engine, an aircraft engine, at O'Hare. It's like somebody said, I have the opportunity to do the funniest thing ever right now, and they went and did it. I don't understand how in such a short time span, after a major incident like that, somebody just went ahead and did the same thing over again. I really don't get it. I don't get it. I know y'all don't want to hear me talk, so I'm just going to get right into it. I'll show you the video and the pictures. I don't have the best video right now. I don't have any good CCTV camera footage or any of that. If somebody sends it to me, I'll put it up for you guys. But no guarantees. So here we go. And before I get into the video real quick, I just want to say it happened in exactly the same spot. If you go back to my previous video where I talk about how this accident happened, it happened on the service road between taxiways Alpha 16 and Alpha 15, or transitions Alpha 16, Alpha 15, whatever you want to call them, in the same service road in the same exact spot. Here's the pictures. So as you can see from these pictures, once again, it's an AKE LD3 ULD cargo container that has once again been blown off its dolly by the jet blast from the preceding aircraft, and it struck this time the number 1 engine on a JetBlue Airbus A320 tail number November 623 Juliet Bravo. Damage is pretty minimal. It appears to be just a cowling that has been damaged, but of course they're going to have to check the engine for structural damage. They're going to have to check the engine pylon, probably the wing a little bit. Yeah, this is not good. It's not a good look for anybody, and yeah, this ain't good. And once again, just like Friday with our American 787, we've got JetBlue following basically the same exact path. Bravo, over the Bravo Bridge, following SkyWest 4651 right here. They're about to jet blast the dolly carrying the cargo container that hit the aircraft. They're completely unaware of what happened. Not like it's their fault, right? They're just trying to taxi, move forward. And JetBlue comes up on the service road and oopsie! Another engine damage at the airport. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Here's some pictures from somebody that was on the flight. He's got some pretty good images from his window seat. First things first, big pet peeve of mine, he calls a taxiway a runway. Sounds just like every talking head on the news, pretty much. They call any paved surface at an airport either a runway or the tarmac. But whatever, we could deal with that in another video sometime, maybe, if I feel like it. I don't know. And then he also calls an AKE container a luggage cart. But that's what I'm here for, to provide clarity and understanding, hopefully, of what's going on here. So damage seems pretty minimal, nothing too crazy, but it's still an aircraft damage. It builds a reputation for ramp workers at O'Hare that, hey, they damage aircraft, because that's exactly what people do. They generalize. When something happens, they jump to conclusions and say, hey, every ramp worker at O'Hare is an idiot. Every ramp worker at O'Hare is going to do this. So I made a couple of memes here about the situation because it's messed up and it really shouldn't be happening. But it's kind of funny that it's happened twice, right? So enjoy. Take a screenshot if you want. Share them with your friends. I know I'm going to share them with a ton of people at the airport. I'm going to incorporate these into my ramp training classes because this shouldn't be happening. It just shouldn't be happening. And it's happened twice now in 4 days, which is totally unacceptable. So that's it for me on this video. I'm just going to leave you with the footage of the American 787 ingesting the cargo container last Friday. Like I said at the start of this video, I don't have footage of what happened today. If it gets sent to me, I will post it on YouTube. But I just wanted to get this out there so that people are informed and aware that this happened tonight at O'Hare again. Unacceptably so. So Fortunately, this time the cargo container wasn't ingested by the engine. It just hit the engine itself, but it still shouldn't be happening, right? So, as always, have a great night. Be safe. And let me know in the comments if I missed anything, if you think I should have said something differently. Just anything in general you want to leave in the comments, leave it below. Just please be respectful. Not necessarily of me, but just of YouTube guidelines or whatever you want to call them. So take care, and I'll see you on the next one.